In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a private server on Roblox. So first of all, we need to head over to Roblox. And then once we are on our main page right here, what you will now need to do is you will need to find the game that you want to create a private server for. So for example, if I just scroll down, we can click on Live Together RP for example. And then from here, as you can see, there is a green play button. So at the side of the play button, there is an icon. So you want to click on that one. And then you'll then get this menu and you want to click on Create Private Server. And then from here, what you'll now need to do is you will need to enter in your server name. So for example, tutorial. And then once you do this, you will then be able to click on Buy Now. And as you'll notice, this has now been created and then you can customize this and play on this server as you would usually. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can create a private server on Roblox.